How to configure sandbox settings in Codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you how you can configure the settings of your sandbox in Codex desktop application. So to do that, first launch your Codex desktop application, and once the application opens, click onto the settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now within this menu, click onto the settings option, or alternatively, you can also press the control and the comma buttons. Now this will lead you to the settings page. Now within the settings page, you will need to click onto this configuration option, and within the configuration, you can see under the custom config.toml settings, the sandbox settings. Using this, you can choose how much Codex can do when running commands. So from here, we have these three options. The first one is the read-only option, which is currently set in my case, where Codex can read files but cannot edit them. Then we have the workspace write, using which Codec can edit files but only in this workspace. Then we also have this full access mode, which is also the riskiest one, using which Codex can edit files outside this particular workspace. So according to your need, you can choose any three of them and Codex will act accordingly in your current sandbox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.